Okay, Gary, taking a look at your swing. This is part 2 of your program, taking it to the golf course. We've gotten you able to stripe the ball in the range. Now we've got to work on getting it to the golf course. So I've drawn the shaft plane line and the head line. Let's see how you do. Take a look at the club head first. And that is just perfect. Couldn't ask for a better backswing. Club head slightly outside the hands. That is a fade position. Now let's take a look at the body compression. And that is perfect body compression. Now remember, this is not a head dip. The reason why the head is lowering is because you're increasing the angle in your spine. The move is not a head dip, but when you increase your posture, the head will move down slightly, and we just monitor the head because that's the easiest place to look at. So you start compressing it nicely. You come up a little bit at the end. However, you can see you were just barely below where you started, and that is an absolute perfect position. That's where all the power hitters are on tour, all the good players, and that's much different from when we started, which you were above the line a few inches with your head. So this is perfect right here. Even though you compressed more when you started and then raised up a little bit, I'm fine with that because your finished position on the backswing is still at or beneath where you started. And if you can make that move in your backswing, then you'll certainly be able to compress the ball a lot better than somebody who stands up out of their posture. So then coming down, you can see how the club head is headed out in front of the hands. We don't get the exact clip, but that's a perfect fade position. Club head's in front of the hands, will not require any flipping motion. From here you just have to go across just a little bit and hold off the release to hit the fade. And that's what you did a lot of today. And it was really good stuff. So this is the 8-iron that you just ripped into the middle of the green with 3-yard fade. And you can see why that happened. You've made the 2 big changes that I've asked you to make: an improved path and maintaining or slightly compressing your upper body on the backswing to maintain your posture. If you can do those 2 things, you're really going to hit the ball well.